Today we shall see the repotting work of these adeniums. Most of them are variegated, and we have bone meal, corn meal, Epsom salt, seaweed, Nutricoat, neem compost pellets. Now the adenium plants river sand has been removed from their pots, and now we will be using new potting medium which has Cinder as a predominant medium in it. This is the soil medium, and these plants are yet to be repotted, and this is how it finally looks after repotting. This is how it finally looks. Since it is raining here, I will water the plants after 3 to 4 days later, and the watering will be along with its fungicide solution. More updates later.